My name's Leisha. I am not buying anything from the Sephora VIB sale. Originally, I was gonna do a video talking about my top 5 and my top fail for the Sephora VIB sale. I was gonna tell you all about the top 5 products that definitely worth checking out, and then the fail products that I would not even look at twice. And then I realized I don't want to. I'm tired of buying stuff, you know, I'm tired of like this hype around limited edition, around like pushing you to buy new things, and it's just boring. I wanted to talk about something I saw on Reddit, which actually really kind of caught my attention, and that is a
conspiracy theory
about Sephora. I saw a post on Reddit that talked about a conspiracy theory that Sephora raises their prices right before the VIB sale so that you feel like you're getting a deal when you're getting your 15% off. Obviously, I can't confirm or deny this, but I know that it's something that definitely takes place in other areas of retail. I know Costco for one, and trust me, I love Costco, but I know one thing that they'll do, they will really slowly raise the prices of big ticket items like TVs, so then when they do a sale, it seems like it's a bigger percentage off when it's really not. On the Reddit post, the OP said that they had put items in their cart and they knew what the total was, and then once it was a couple of days before the sale, suddenly her basket was, oh my gosh, it's $100 more than what it normally was. That's crazy. And basically it was just a discussion about if Sephora is raising their prices before the sale so that the percentage off really isn't as much of a percentage off as you may think. And the interesting part here is a lot of other people commented on this post and they said the same thing, that they noticed the prices of their cart went up. My cart right now has like 12 things in it. I just kind of use my cart. I do this on Sephora and on Amazon especially. Oh my gosh. My Amazon Save for Later looks like a yard sale. There's so much random stuff in it just because I'll put it in my cart to remember and then I don't want to buy it right then, so I do it with Save for Later, and I never use like the wish list or the list features, even though that makes more sense because I can organize it. It's just a Save for Later, literally the most random stuff. I know that there are some products that they cannot change. Like for example, I have a lot of the new Stila Glitter and Glow in my cart, and those are at 24, and those are always at 24. Now, of course, this can all just be a conspiracy that maybe some of the items that they saw were on sale, and then right before the VIB sale, the sale ended so that they weren't on sale. So that definitely could be something that happens, but another person in the comments actually also mentioned that sometimes the higher dollar items, the more expensive stuff, will suddenly be out of stock during the sale. That is super shady, and I wonder if that is true too. So I want to know what your thoughts are. Do you notice any changes? I think for Sephora it would definitely be a lot more difficult, considering that a lot of the products that they sell are not exclusive to Sephora. A lot of the products are also available at Ulta or Nordstrom or other websites. If they change certain products on their website, you would easily be able to see it on either the brand's website or another retailer, and so that's something I feel like is a little bit harder for them to get away with. On their own products, it could obviously be something that would be a little bit easier for them to kind of sneak under the radar, or on their sets maybe. The thing I see being more likely is just changing like the sale stuff, and suddenly the sale stuff isn't on sale as much anymore. Because when you think of things like Costco, Costco's the only one that's doing the prices that they have, so doing something like I had mentioned where they subtly increase it and then suddenly drop it off, nobody is gonna call them out on it as easily. But on another note, I was kind of bummed that it was only a 15% discount, and I do think that Ulta is doing a 20% discount right now. I'm not entirely sure, and I don't know if it's one that you need to have like a specific code for. I've just kind of been trying to keep myself off of Sephora, keep myself out of Ulta, because I don't need anything. I really don't need anything else, and I have so many things that need to get used. So, you know. So basically that's all for this video. I thought it was an interesting post on Reddit, conspiracy theory about Sephora. Let me know what you think, if it's a bunch of crap or if it's true. I want to hear what you have to say. Again, I'm not buying anything from this Sephora sale. I just don't care. There's all the stuff in my cart that I can't be bothered. I have so many things I want to try and so many things I already have. I can't get myself to pay $25 for a Stila Glitter and Glow that I'm using sometimes. The only ones I ever really gravitate towards are like Kitten. Kitten's amazing, but the rest, you know, and I love those. So that's saying something. Anyways, my name is Leisha. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. So my question of the day for you all is, what is the longest period of time that you've gone without buying a new beauty product? A week? A few months? Are you on a no buy? Based on my Sephora and Ulta carts, I think it's been like not even this year, and I really don't have any plans to unless it's something that I'm running out of. So there's that.